got a new toy last Sunday. Had it for a week now. I made a video earlier this week, but it didn't upload because it was a piece of junk. No, it wasn't a piece of junk. It was too long. Okay, but Murray 11 horse. Put that back on. 11 horse Murray. Big garden tractor. Rust, yeah. But brake, clutch, separate brake, clutch. Big front tires, big as the rear's back tires. Dun dun dun. 11 horse Briggs. I'm guessing original. It's a 78. So yeah, nice little crappy air filter, because the other one is just bad, and yeah, the other one is just in pieces, and I really don't want to put the bad foam element in this thing yet, but it does run. I goofed up, okay? The other day I got it running, and I got it running good. Drove it up to the wood pile over there, and then it died. So I thought it was the carburetor. Genius me. Tries to mess around, doesn't want to start. Push it back here. Okay? Okay, you know. And I was so stupid to not check the gas tank. The gas tank is empty. Put gas in it whenever I got it. Cleaned out the carb and stuff. But apparently, I ran out of gas. But anyway, new oil. Wolf's Head oil. Yep, Wolf's Head. Nothing but the best here. Let's see. 4-speed transmission. Here. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, operating lights rusted. Restoration project. This is a restoration. But surprisingly, this works, and it's attached, so it doesn't hurt my fingers like the other one. Ammeter, I don't know, works. Battery's dead, so that's why I have the screen off it, so I can pull start it. But shift pattern. Shit. Let me put on the brake. Awkward putting on the brake. No one's saying anything. I'm still getting used to this thing, so. But yeah. Okay. It doesn't want to shift for some reason right now. Go in a second. Probably because I have the brake on and stuff. But third. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. First, second, third, okay, fourth, and you know, neutral, reverse. First gear, it crawls. Second, a little quicker. Third, goes pretty quick. Alright, see, it's in neutral right now. You have to click it, you have to hit it, slap it over in the fourth, because I don't know, it just has to be slapped, but yeah. But there, it has a garden tractor transmission. Hold on, let me Get off here for a second. I don't know if you can see this right there. It takes the engine is a vertical shaft and it changes it over horizontal right there. So because of this, a 4-speed garden tractor transmission. There's the belt coming down. You know how to change the oil in it. So if anyone knows, there's like a drain plug on the bottom, and then there's a plug right there and a plug right there. I'm thinking this one's the drain plug and this one's the fill plug, but I'm not sure. So, but yeah. So if anyone could tell me that. It comes with a 36-inch deck, 3-point hitch, huge tires, 23 by 8.5. It's gonna get restored. Right now, it leaks oil out of the sump, so right now I'm just kind of putting stuff on it. I haven't read those yet, but yeah. Starting instructions. Grill, a little yucky, but it's gonna run today. And here's the plow I have for it. I don't know how in the world it goes on. Plow and deck, pulled by, of course, the Sears in my dump cart. Yep. But here's what I have to get rid of. If anyone needs anything off of this, it is for sale. I live in near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, about an hour away from there. So yeah, engine's good. It starts up really good. Burns a little oil. It has a lot of blow by because it's old, but oil's good. Everything's good on it but the deck. And the seat's back there. We're that way, but yeah, everything's good other than the steering. The steering's a little effed, but transmission's good. Everything's good on it. I don't know. My dad just wants me to get rid of it because I have no room. Unless, here's where Murray goes. There's where the Sears goes. Thinking about putting the right here like this. Maybe my dad might let me keep it if I make it look all pretty back here. But yeah, Sears sitting there, big brother or little brother of my Murray. Pull start. I'll start the Murray up later today. I'll do a running video and a little drive. But I don't know. I have band camp to go to in a little bit. Yeah, I'm in the marching band. I play the trumpet. Big whooped. But yeah. Hey, quality made. Made in the USA. I don't know if this is all made in the USA, but yeah. Well, back to this thing. Oh, what the heck model is it? I don't know. Model number 8369 or 8-3669X9. And then it's date of manufacture 8069 or 8089. I have no clue. August of 89. And how the heck's the engine? Can't be. The engine's a 78. Engine's original. I can tell you that right now. But yeah, well, there's that. And as of now, this is Big Trucker 2007 signing out.